Ready to unleash your inner engineer and build the wackiest, most wonderful robots imaginable? Today, we're exploring The Robot Factory by Tinybop, an award-winning open-ended digital construction kit. The Robot Factory by Tinybop invites children to design, build, and test thousands of unique robot creations using over 100 interchangeable parts like exoskeletons, hydrostatic tentacles, and G-force mixers. Users consistently praise its intuitive drag-and-drop interface and the physics-driven testing environment where robots walk, run, hop, or fly through fantastical worlds. The app fosters creative thinking, problem-solving, and storytelling skills by allowing kids to experiment freely, record robot sounds, color their creations, and collect them in their own showroom. It's highly valued for being completely ad-free and without in-app purchases, providing a safe, imaginative play space. However, some users have noted that the testing environment can sometimes feel a bit random or lack specific goals, and a few have wished for more detailed explanations of what each part does. While excellent for open-ended design, it might not offer structured learning objectives found in some other educational apps. Tinybop has a strong privacy policy, stating they do not collect or share personal information about your child, nor do they allow third-party advertising, making it a very privacy-conscious choice for parents. What's your thought?